A flash of light in the sky, and then, the sound of sirens. In one night, everything changed for families in both Iran and Israel. Homes destroyed, lives lost, and a question on everyone's mind: is this the beginning of something much bigger? This is not just a headline. This is real. Real people. Real fear. And real consequences. Today, we're telling the story behind the missiles, the politics, and the people caught in between, without choosing sides. Just the facts. Just the story. A dangerous exchange. What happened between Iran and Israel in June 2025? In June 2025, a serious conflict began between Iran and Israel. It started when Israel attacked military and nuclear sites in Iran. The Israeli government said these sites were dangerous and had to be destroyed. Many people in Iran were killed or injured. Reports say over 400 people died, including scientists and military leaders. After this attack, Iran responded. They launched missiles and drones toward Israeli cities. Cities like Tel Aviv, Jerusalem, Haifa, and Bat Yam were hit. At least 10 people in Israel died, and many more were hurt. Israel used its air defense system to stop the attack. Systems like the Iron Dome and David's Sling shot down many missiles. But some missiles got through, and buildings were destroyed. In some neighborhoods, homes collapsed, and people were trapped. Ambulances rushed to help, and families ran for safety. Iran said this was not a war, but a response. They said Israel attacked first, so they had to answer. They called their action, Operation True Promise 3. Iran said if Israel attacks again, they will fight back harder. Israel said they were protecting their people and would continue to defend the country. In Yemen, a group called the Houthis also attacked Israel. They support Iran and said they want to help. Now, more people are afraid that the conflict will grow bigger. World leaders from Europe, the United Nations, and the United States are worried. They are asking both sides to stop the attacks and talk. But both Iran and Israel say they are not ready to stop. They each say the other country must take the first step. In both countries, regular people are scared. They are not soldiers. They are families, workers, students, and children. Some people have lost their homes. Some are sleeping in shelters. Many are saying, "We want peace." But peace is hard to find right now. No one knows for sure. Both countries are preparing for more conflict. Other countries are watching closely. Will there be more attacks? Or will there be peace talks? We do not know. This story is still happening. Many people have different opinions. Some say one side is right. Some say the other. But in this video, we do not choose a side. We just tell the story, and let you think for yourself. If this video helped you learn something new or see things in a different way, please consider giving it a like, sharing it with others, and subscribing for more real-life stories told in clear, simple English. Your support helps us grow, and helps more learners around the world improve their English with powerful, meaningful stories. Thanks for watching. Stay curious. Stay informed. And above all, stay human.